All right, we're on to the nose. We know the nose is a circle or a cylinder here, so we know we have to locate the center of it first, and then we're going to give it a radius, and then we're going to tell it how far to come out of the face. The center here is 179 millimeters down from the top, so that would be tape measure tool coming down from the top 179. The center this way, it doesn't give me that information, but that's on the midline of the face. So we know it's at the midpoint, which is 150, because if we cut 300 in half, we get 150. But we're going to do that a little bit easier way, coming in this way. So let's flip over to Sketchup. We're going to go to front view. And we're going to go tape measure tool, which is underneath the dimension tool again. Click a side face. Make sure we're clicking on that little light blue dot that says midpoint. And then I'm going to take the cursor and I'm going to run it across the top of his head till I find the midpoint. And then I'm going to click here at the midpoint and bring it down 179. And there is the center of his nose. If you notice when I was clicking on that midpoint, it's kind of fighting. There's an intersection. That's a bad one to try to click. It gives you a goofy guideline. So when you go on there, you want to make sure to kind of wiggle it around till it goes to midpoint and then bring it down. Then if I'm looking over here, I don't have a diameter for his nose, but it's going to be 50 again. So I come in a circle, make sure to drag it on this line or on this line, and type 50. Oop. 25, or let's do 50, because it said 50, and hit enter. Wait, that looks big. That's because I'm typing radius instead of diameter. The cool thing is, if I don't click anything else, and I don't even click undo, I just type 25 and hit enter, it'll make it go to 25. Have to make it 3D, have to go to isometric. Gonna do a push-pull. Got to find out how far it has to push-pull, so I'm looking here, I don't see it. It has to go from this face to this, and that's 100. Click to drag it out a long way like Pinocchio, type 100 and hit enter. And we now have SpongeBob's nose.